Lately, Instagram has been adding a ton of new features to its app, and today I want to show you my favorite update. Hey guys, Jodie here from Social Smarty. Today I want to share with you how to upload to Instagram, share a photo, share a video from your desktop. So previously Instagram was all about mobile, about sharing in the moment from your mobile phone, and it was really frustrating for business owners because we want to sit at our computers and upload images, photos, videos to our Instagram from our computers. And now we have this ability. So to do this, I want you to head to Instagram.com and then I want you to sign in. So the easiest way I find to do this is to use your username. So I am socialsmarty.co, pop in your password and then hit login. Now you should have your two-factor authentication switched on. So at this point, you should either use an authenticator app or receive a text message with a code in it. So I'm just going to grab that code and pop it in now. Great, so now that we're logged in, we can see all the usual things. We can see our stories along the top here. We can see our news feed, our feed here. We can click on the little icon to the right here and we can go to our profile and see our profile there. We have our notifications up the top, so we can see the little love heart there. And we can actually see now a new button, which is a recent addition, this little plus button here. So this button is how we are going to upload to our profile. Now it doesn't matter if we're on our profile or on our feed, doesn't matter where you are, where you start. I just want you to hit on that plus button here, and then it's going to allow us to upload a photo or a video from our computer. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a photo. Great, so I have my photo uploaded. Now there's a couple of things that I can do at this point. So if I wanted to create a carousel post with multiple photos that people would swipe through, I can click on this little icon at the bottom here, and then that gives me the ability to add, using this plus button, to add additional photos. So I can go back in, I can upload another photo, I might pick this one here, and then I get that carousel feature. So we can see now we have a little arrow here, we can swipe it across. So we can add up to 10 photos that way to create a carousel post. The other thing that we can do is we can click on this little icon down the bottom here and we can change the crop. So say for example we had a much longer image or more of a portrait style, we could go with the this center one here, or if it was more horizontal we could go with the bottom here, but I'm going to stick with a square, leave it as is. So once we're happy with our images or our video, we can go on to next, and then we can pick our filters. So just like when we're uploading on our mobile phone, we pick our filters, we can select adjustments, make it brighter if we want. Obviously I'm not going to change anything here. I'm going to click on next, and then we're going to write our caption. So we're going to put our caption in here. We can put, you know, a couple of lines, whatever we want to say, finish with our call to action. We might put in our hashtags here. And so once we're happy with our caption, the next thing we can do is check on our accessibility. So alt text is really important. So for those who are visually impaired or using screen readers, we want to actually pop in some alt text that describes what that image is. Location, sorry, I skipped over there. Location is a great way to help people find you. So we can add in our geotag there, or our location. And then under advanced settings, if you wish to turn off commenting. So if you're going to post something that you don't want people to comment on, that's where you would switch that there. And then when you're ready to go, you just hit share. It's as simple as that. Let me know in the comments if you're going to give this a go, because I would love to know if you prefer to post on Instagram through your mobile app or through your computer.